All right, guys. So this is the word problems that are at the bottom of your packet. These are more examples that you might see on a test, just important for you to have an idea of what we're doing. So in 2.2, we've talked about point slope form, right? 2.1 was on slope intercept form, which was y equals mx plus b. Point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So it says at Crazy Al's Rentals, you can rent a four-wheeler for $32.50 an hour. So that's telling me my slope is $32.50. My slope is $32.50 per hour is telling me that. Plus there's that initial fee. We don't know the initial fee. It said Miss Swiderski rented a four-wheeler for 7 hours and paid $253. So my point then would be 7 hours, it costs $253. They want to know at this rate how much it costs to rent a four-wheeler for 11 hours. Well, there's a few ways you could solve this, right? So if I were to write this in point slope form, I'm going to have y minus y1, which was 253, equals my slope of 3250 times x minus x1, which was 7. If I write this out, I'm now going to have y minus 253 is equal to 3250x when I distribute, minus, if I multiply 3250 times 7 on a calculator, we're going to get 227.5, right? Now, let's put this in slope-intercept form. To do that, couple ways you could solve this. I'm going to add 253 to both sides. When I do this, watch what happens. Add 253 to both sides. I get y equals 3250x. Okay, plus, so if I take 253 minus 227.5, I get $25.50. What is this saying? Well, it's saying it's $32.50 an hour, which we knew, okay? But then my initial fee, that fee is my y-intercept. So the fee just to rent them was $25.50, all right? Now, how much would it cost if I rent it for 11 hours? I just need to plug in 11 for x. So it's going to be $32.50, my total cost, which is y equals 3250 times 11, my 11 hours, plus that initial fee, 2550. When I plug this into the calculator, 3250 times 11, okay, plus 2550, it would cost $383 for 11 hours. All right, because 3250 times 11, 3250 times 11 gives me 357.5 plus 2550 gives me $383. Okay, so really it's just plugging this information in to apply it to the real world. All right, next problem. It says Miss Demich bought 18 tickets for the Sox game for $847. So 18 tickets cost $847. Which included an online fee. The Sox lost the game, duh, go Cubs. So she decided to go to another game. This time she bought 31 tickets for $1,445, which also included the same online fee. If she went to another game and decided to buy 55 tickets online, how much would she pay? In sixth grade, there's a sixth grade standard on unit price. All right, and it's always price over item is what I always told my students in sixth grade. So price for the item or the amount. Okay, so your price is always your y, and the item or the amount is always your x. So you always, when you're writing ordered pairs, typically the price will always be your y. So first step, we need to figure out what the slope is. So my slope is going to be y2, 1,445 minus y1, which was 847, over x2, which is 31, minus x1, which was 18. When I type this into my calculator, 1,445 minus 847 is going to give me 598 over 31 minus 18 is going to give me 13. So when I divide that, that means one ticket, 598, divide that by 13 is 46. So my slope is $46. Okay, so now point slope form, you choose a point. I'm going to choose this first one. It's going to be y minus y1. So y minus 847 equals my slope of 46 times x minus x1, which is 18. Let's go ahead and move things around. So we get y minus 847 is equal to 46x minus 18. 46 times 18 is going to give me 828. Okay, I want to put this in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to add 847 to both sides. I get y equals 46x. Now when I combine my negative 828 plus the 847, I get 19, which is telling me this 19 right here is that convenience fee from before, right? So it's $46 per ticket plus that $19 per convenience fee. Well, they wanted to know in the problem how much 55 tickets would cost plus the fee. So if I plug that in, y equals 46 per ticket times 55 plus 19. When I plug that in, 46 times 55. Whoa, 46 times 55 plus 19. It's going to cost Miss Demich approximately $2,549 for 55 tickets to the White Sox game. All right. So I've provided you with 4-word problems. I would know these. If you have questions or comments on them, please let me know. Go Cubs. And we will go ahead and go over more examples in class here in the days to come. But there were 2 examples in the 2-2 video. This is 2-2 part 2. Plenty of examples. If you need help, please let me know.